Today I want to talk about amazing Thieves Oil, a great antiviral and immune boosting oil which has been around since the 1400s. Amazing stuff. Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about Thieves Oil. This is a particular one that my wife makes, and I'll get into that at the end of the video. And this smells great. Cinnamony, cloves, all kinds of different things in there. And I'll talk about the formula so you can make it yourself if you want to. And it goes back to the 1400s, about the time of the bubonic plague. People were dying left and right in Europe. And they happened to find that these four thieves, they weren't actually going through the pockets of the people who were dying but weren't dead yet, and also the people who were already dead and that type of thing, and robbing their homes. But they weren't getting sick for some reason. And so they finally caught them, and they brought them before the magistrate, and they said, you tell us why you're not getting sick, and we won't burn you at the stake. So they did, of course. And as they told them, they were merchants and they knew about these oils. They were preventive. They put them in their masks, and they put them on their temples and all on their feet and on their hands, and that way they didn't get sick. And so they loved that. The magistrate did, but he still hanged them anyway. But terrible. But anyway, we did find out about this formula way back then, so it's been working for a long time. It contains, on the average, it varies depending on who's making it, but it contains on the average clove oil, lemon oil, eucalyptus oil, cinnamon oil, rosemary oil, and it helps with pain and boosts up your immune system, speeds up the healing of cuts and small wounds, lifts up your mood, so you smell this wonderful smell and makes you feel good. It helps with respiratory conditions, and so you feel great and you can breathe deep. Improves, like I said, your immune system. Can be used as a cleaning agent. You can add it to your cleaning process. Helps with the colds and flus to keep them away. It lowers fevers. It's anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is the first step toward disease, so it's anti-inflammatory also. Add it to your laundry for get rid of bacteria in your laundry. Also helps with bee stings and wasp stings and things like that. So, boy, it helps a lot. And there's a lot of studies actually about the components of each one of these, this Thieves Oil. And has a lot of different things. In 2018, the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that it could help with many different types of bacteria, mycobacterium, tuberculosis, viruses, even candida, a fungus, so all kinds of things. Another study in 2017, Cogent Medicine, impacts cells by improving immunity of the body itself and speeding up wound healing. So, wow, amazing stuff. A study in Germany, University of Kiel, in 2009, actually confirms that essential oils like these, and especially cinnamon and lemon, were especially good at fighting bacteria. So that's a big thing there. A 2010 study in phytotherapy research examined the antibacterial abilities of all kinds of these oils in Thieves Oil, and it helped with all kinds of things like staphylococcus, coccus, and Klebsiella, all kinds of pneumonia agents. So really great. A study in India actually showed that it could help with osteoporosis also, especially clove oil. So really great. Another study in 2010 actually showed that it was a very strong antibacterial agent, especially clove oil, and which is part of Thieves Oil also. Another study in 2012, complementary medicine and alternative medicine, showed that it really helped with the respiratory process of all kinds of diseases of the respiratory tract. So including fungal problems too. Also, another study with eucalyptus oil, which is part of this also, it helped to kill E. coli and skin infections, staphylococcus, and all kinds of problems like that. Another study in 2017 found that cinnamon and cloves, which are part of this, actually help with lots of different things, including Lyme disease too. Another study, more recent, has showed that cloves and cinnamon together actually help with other diseases that we have going on in general. Another research study also found that eucalyptus oil, which is part of this, help with alleviate pain in general. So another thing, just smelling this actually helps with the pain that you would have. You smell so wonderful. Also, a study was done with Thieves Oil and actually found that it gets rid of things in the air, any airborne pathogens. So really good. Another study in 2013 actually showed that inhaling rosemary, which is part of this, helps with your mood and helps with stress, and it's stimulating also, so that's great. And another study in 2019 showed that lemon oil, which is part of this process of Thieves Oil also, is really good as a powerful antioxidant. So most all of these are powerful antioxidants too. And also they help with foodborne illnesses, so that's another thing. And it can help with cancer. It can also help with breast cancer cells, so on and on and on. Probably the most common way to use this is with a diffuser. Excuse me. Big whiff of that. And diffusing it into the whole room, you have more of an alertness, you have better feeling in the room, you elevate your mood, your stress goes down, on and on and on. You can use it as a massage oil, of course. That's always great. Anytime you get a massage, you let go of all the stress and that type of thing. I recommend at least a massage once a month to get rid of stress. And also, it helps to detox some of the toxins out of your body too, and help to move the lymph in your body. And you want to take these essential oils and you want to dilute them. Once you get the Thieves Oil, and this is already diluted because you can use it right on your skin, you want to be able to dilute that because the essential oils are not good direct on your skin. They will burn you. So you want to dilute that down to about 3% process of the oil itself and use that as massage oil. You can put it in lotions and creams. Maybe you got a lotion you already bought. You could add a little bit of Thieves Oil to it, or a cream that you already have put together. That a 1 or 2% addition of Thieves Oil is great. That would be the good combination for using a lotion or a cream. You can make a spray. You can add water and add 8 to 10 drops to an ounce of water of Thieves Oil, and that will do a great job. You can make your own Thieves Oil. You start out with 40 drops of clove essential oil, and also 35 drops of lemon essential oil, 20 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 15 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, and 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. I'll do that again. 40 drops of clove oil, 35 drops of lemon oil, 20 drops of cinnamon oil, 15 drops of eucalyptus oil, and 10 drops of rosemary oil. All essential oils, and try to make them organic as much as possible. And you can mix them, keep them in a dark bottle like this. That's really good because they break down with light. Also, dilute it properly if you're going to be using it after that. And you can experiment. Maybe you want to add something different. Maybe you want an orange oil in there, or a bergamot, or something different. It's your thing. Make it exactly what you want. Side effects? Just about none, really. Some allergic reactions, some skin reactions. That's pretty normal. Photosensitivity, but it's not for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. It's a little too powerful. There's no doubt about that. taking it internally, I don't recommend it. You know, a lot of things people were getting back to me. Oh, you said angiographis is good. Yeah, wait a minute. Let's not take it all the time. And the same with this, because it kills everything. There's no doubt about it. And I wouldn't take Thieves Oil orally unless there was something really amazing, powerfully bad going on. I know a lot of people do recommend that, but you can diffuse it and take it in. That will get into your bloodstream. I think that's a better way to do it, because it'll kill all the good bacteria in your gut also. So if you're going to do that, I recommend you take probiotics and take a very small dose. And I really get a hold of me before you do that, and I can consult with you. So if you're interested also, my wife makes some really great oils. It's called Subaflora. Her name is Flora, my wife. She makes Thieves Oil, massage oils, rest and relaxation oils. She makes about 15 different combinations. She just started this, and her name is Flora, Flora, and her phone number is 787-504-5770. 787-504-5770. And also her email is Flora Perez Garay, FloraPerezGaray @gmail.com. Flora Perez Garay @gmail.com. You can back this up and listen to it again. And I'll show it to you here. There it is. Flora Perez Garay @gmail.com, and that's her phone number, 787-504-5770. So, and if you like to get in on what my wife is making, I have to say, she's been getting these out to people, and they love them. I have to say, people, they absolutely adore her oils. So and she's really picky, and she infuses all of them herself and makes everything from the beginning. So it's really great. Highly recommend them. If you want to do a consult with me, I want to get you on the road to great health. I just had a man call me about 30 minutes ago, and he said, I want to do a consult. I want to stay healthy. I'm already 48, but I want to, not start declining. So I said, well, let's do a $50 donation. Let's get you on this road. And that gives you 1 year of support also. And I have a lady right now that she actually has diabetes, and we've taken her. She's actually cut her medicine down to half of both pills, and her blood sugar now, yesterday, was 101. So, and now she's keeping her blood sugar going down, and she's by herself, is actually, with my impetus and helping with that, and giving recommendations, she's actually lowering her pills and stabilizing her blood sugar. So really great. She'll be off her pills, I'm sure, in a couple, 2-3 weeks. So if you want to do the same, if you want to be extremely healthy, call me. All my contact information at the end of this video, or click on show more, and all my contact information is down there. Remember a couple things. Remember, buy yourself some Thieves Oil. Really great stuff. Also remember God, especially nowadays. And remember, I love you.